You ready? Going for a road trip?
Morning! Happy 4th of July weekend! Woo! We are headed up to Pennsylvania for the weekend to celebrate. We got our bags all packed.
Mostly yours.
All mine, actually. The plan was to be in Disney World this weekend to not only celebrate the 4th, but to also celebrate our 6-month wedding anniversary.
Oh.
Happy anniversary! Happy anniversary! But change of plans. We really want to get there when the parks are open. So we changed our vacation to August, so we will be heading there next month. So we're gonna have a fun weekend up in Pennsylvania. What do you think?
Let's do it. Lots of chocolate.
Okay, yeah, spoiler alert, we're going to Hersheypark. So yeah, lots of chocolate this weekend. So while spring/summer cleaning, we found an old school iPod. Had no idea what was on it, and it still works.
Oh yeah.
So we're listening to Ryan's band, Crash Romeo. Some old songs on there.
Yeah.
This is fun.
Yeah. Need some good music to listen to on a road trip, right?
Yeah, so we listen to your band. Interested to see how everything's gonna work in the parks because they actually just reopened for the summer today, July 3rd, but we won't be in the parks until tomorrow, July 4th, but I'm still extremely interested.
I'm excited for Chocolate World, honestly.
Yeah, Chocolate World, you get to go on this like little dark ride almost, and it shows you how the chocolate is made in the town. And then you used to get like a little piece of chocolate at the end of it. I don't know if they're still gonna do that.
With my family, I used to go to Hersheypark all the time, and we used to get big giant bars of Hershey chocolate. So
2 hands on the wheel. So Chocolate World's actually free. Right now, if you were to go now, you do have to make a reservation to get in. The same with Hersheypark. It's just like the theme parks down in Walt Disney World. Yeah. You have to make a park reservation along with your ticket. But this should be fun. Oh, there is a Disney outlet, which we are super excited to go in and see what they have. It is open. We did call yesterday. So it should be fun.
I think we're gonna stop there first before anything, right? All right, we made it.
Made it to the outlet store. Disney shopping.
Let's do it.
I know it's not Easter anymore, but these have to be the cutest things. They're only $5.99.
Nice.
Add to our collection. So if you buy 2, they're $14.99 each, or no?
Yeah.
$14 each if you buy 2 or more.
Nice.
So maybe we should.
Let's do it.
Can always use more Disney shirts.
Oh, I like this one.
I know, I kind of like that one too.
The Mickey one.
The Mickey?
Yeah, maybe.
There's more.
Let's see what we got on the other side.
Oh, of course there's a Donnie one.
I see it.
You see it?
Look at that. I'm definitely getting that one. Let's pick up that. Oh, they got Stitch. Oh, look.
Falcon.
Millennium Falcon. Chewbacca, I like that one. Is that an adult?
I think so.
Ooh, look at it.
Oh, yeah, it's men's.
Oh, that one glows in the dark there.
Okay.
It is Star Wars bag.
But look at the other side.
Wow.
Isn't that so cool?
Wow.
Look at the Donald phone case. Pretty sure we're gonna walk out of here with the whole store.
Yep.
Whatever.
With a backpack.
Disneyland.
Oh, see you tomorrow.
Spaceship Earth.
Nice, $3.99.
$3.99.
Got some ornaments here.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, we have this.
Except we have Disney World, but yeah.
Oh.
So
Want a Disneyland one?
I don't know how true this is at all, but we had a cast member tell us that the East Coast outlets carry Disneyland stuff and the West Coast outlets carry Disney World. Again, don't know how true that is. A cast member told us that, but that makes sense.
Yeah, it does.
Fitting for the weekend.
I believe so.
I feel like I might need to get it and rock some West Coast.
Yeah, I like it. I think it would fit you. I like this one down here.
Pluto. Do you?
Yeah.
$24.99.
Wow. Good deal. Huh?
We have the Pluto.
Oh, we're looking for Donnie
I
one.
am looking for the Donald one. Cannot find it.
Pluto is on every place we look, usually.
I know. Wow.
Wow, that's cool.
That's pretty cool.
I like that. How much is that?
$11.99, but it's
Wow,
small.
that's a good deal.
You and I are not small, so let's
Yeah,
try
but
that
it's
again.
got to look for another size.
How cool is this?
Wow. Leader of the club.
For the fall, this is so cute.
Nice.
I kind of love it.
I like the patch on the front.
Yeah.
Cool.
It is $59.95, but 30% off.
Yeah, for a jean jacket.
It's not bad. Oh. Oh my god.
Donald?
It's a Donald keychain.
Whoa.
I mean, really.
Oh, I like that Goofy movie one. Powerline.
Powerline?
Yeah, Powerline. Steamboat Willie bag. That's awesome.
Limited time only. I kind of want it.
Yeah.
Because I love bags. So. I'm smiling under this. I'm happy.
Cheshire
I have
Cat.
that actually. We have that.
No.
And we have Olaf too. And like we have a million Donalds and a million Mickeys.
Yeah. Marie. Oh.
Do you want a jacket?
Look at Onward. Whoa.
30% off. Everything's 30%
Mickey
off.
Mouse Club jacket?
Yeah.
There he is. Donald Duck.
We have like a million of these, but I want to buy one anyway.
No.
Because of course I do.
What about Daisy?
We don't have Daisy.
No.
No, we don't.
Donnie needs a partner in crime. What are these? They're like heads. Plush cushions.
Don't know why I find that funny, but I do.
Look at these big Mickey and Minnie.
They're huge. How much are they?
Kind of like the classic look.
$44.99.
Oh, wow. $44.99. That's not bad.
Like, I feel like you need to wear these
Wow.
in Disney.
I like them.
Do you?
What's on them?
Like, Mickey and ice
ooh.
cream and a Dole Whip. There's totally a Dole Whip on that.
Yeah. Is this a bathing suit?
Yeah.
Nice. And look at Jafar. This is Jafar. It's a
Yes.
Disney princess. Think that's worth money? Dio.
He's a cup. He has a straw.
Yeah.
Like, this is the
Awesome.
cutest thing.
I love it. How much?
$10?
Not bad.
Wow. This is cute.
It's kind of hard to carry around, but
Yeah,
it is
well,
cool
you
looking.
know.
Look at that mug.
Made in the 90s.
Yeah, not me.
I mean, not me either, but I grew up in the 90s, so.
Little Mermaid. I like this. Dr. Facilier.
Yeah. Stop it.
Oh, wow.
I don't even know what it is, but I want it.
Toy box. Star Wars toy box.
But what, do you put toys inside the Falcon?
I don't know.
That's what I'm saying. What is it? But it's fun.
Yeah.
$47.98.
It's not bad.
I'm just saying.
You got Boba Fett. We got Darth Vader up there.
Yeah.
Way up there.
No Kylo Ren.
And a little Rey outfit down there. You want a lightsaber? Here, you can have a whole Kylo Ren outfit. right there.
Is this acceptable as a mask? Because I'll
Yeah.
walk around in it.
Yeah, R2-D2.
That's cool.
What is it?
Who cares? It's a little droid, it looks like.
That's cool. What is it?
I don't know. I think it's just a plush. Yeah, there's no straps.
It's cool. I'm sure they have a backpack version of that. I would never be able to put this together, but it's still cool, the Lego Star Wars.
Okay,
We did it.
we got a lot of stuff.
Whoa.
Just a little bit.
We'll reveal at a later time.
Yeah.
But that was awesome.
Yeah, that was fun. They
It's a
have a
great-
lot of unique things in there.
Yeah, it's a really great store. Everything was 30% off, and
Yeah.
there's a huge clearance section.
Yeah.
And I hope we showed a bunch of stuff that we were interested in. And you can come down here at Hershey at the Tanger outlets and check it out for yourself.
Yeah.
And on to the next.
Chocolate World.